Have you ever felt your strength slip away? Not all at once, but slowly, like a fading sunset? Maybe your legs hesitate when you stand, or your arms tire lifting a bag of groceries. If you're over 60, this could be sarcopenia, muscle loss that creeps in with age. But here's hope. Your kitchen holds powerful foods to rebuild strength naturally. No gyms or pills needed. At Wello, we're sharing 7 fruits and 4 vegetables that reduce inflammation, boost balance, and restore vitality. Curious which fruit can spark muscle repair? With one bowl? Stay until the end. Like, subscribe, and comment. What's your favorite fruit? Sarcopenia affects nearly 30% of U.S. seniors over 65, per the CDC, stealing strength, balance, and independence. Yet, foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants can reverse this decline. Backed by research from the National Institutes of Health, these 11 foods, available at stores like Kroger or Whole Foods, nourish muscles and energize your days. Let's start with a tropical gem that heals from within. Number 1. Papaya. This soft orange fruit is a muscle-friendly powerhouse. Its enzyme, papain, reduces gut inflammation, improving protein absorption, key for muscle repair. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition found seniors eating enzyme-rich fruits, like papaya, had 20% better muscle function. Papaya's vitamin C boosts collagen, strengthening muscles and joints. Susan, a 67-year-old from Florida, felt stiffer each morning until she ate a bowl of papaya daily. My steps feel lighter now. Enjoy one small bowl on an empty stomach, minutes before breakfast, available at Walmart or local markets. It's gentle for seniors with sensitive digestion. If you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor due to its vitamin K. Number 2. Banana, humble yet mighty. Bananas deliver potassium 400 mg per banana and magnesium to regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramps. A 2024 study in the Journal of Aging Research showed seniors with higher potassium intake had 25% fewer falls. Vitamin B6 enhances nerve-muscle communication, while tryptophan boosts sleep, aiding recovery. John, a 70-year-old from Texas, added a ripe banana to his mornings. My legs don't cramp at night anymore. Eat one soft, spotted banana alone 20 minutes before other foods. Choose smaller ones if managing diabetes, affecting 29% of U.S. seniors per the CDC. Find them at any U.S. grocery store for a budget-friendly boost. Number 3. Plum. Dark purple plums are nature's cleansers, packed with anthocyanin antioxidants that reduce gut inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. A 2003 study in the British Journal of Nutrition linked better gut health to 15% higher muscle protein synthesis in seniors. Plums also enhance circulation, delivering oxygen to muscles. Mary, a 72-year-old from Ohio, ate 2 plums daily. I feel less sluggish, and my arms are stronger. Eat 2 fresh plums or 4 soaked raisins with their water in the morning, available at farmers markets or Target. They're a simple way to clear waste and build strength. Number 4. Kiwi. This tart, green fruit is a collagen-building star with more vitamin C than an orange. Collagen connects muscles to bones, improving stability. A 2024 NIH study found vitamin C-rich diets increased mobility by 18% in seniors. Kiwi's actinitin enzyme aids protein digestion, and potassium prevents cramps. Linda, a 68-year-old from California, ate 1 kiwi daily. My joints feel smoother. Peel and eat 1 kiwi in the morning, alone or with papaya, for a digestion boost. Found at Costco or local stores. It's ideal for seniors with arthritis, common in 50% of those over 65, per the Arthritis Foundation. Number 5. Mango, golden and sweet. Mangoes provide steady energy with glucose, fiber, and antioxidants like mangifferin. A 2023 study in the Journal of Functional Foods showed mangifferin improved insulin sensitivity, fueling muscles without blood sugar spikes. Vitamin C protects against muscle damage. Robert, a 71-year-old from Arizona, ate half a mango daily. I'm climbing stairs easier. Eat half a ripe mango in the morning, alone for sustained energy. Available at Safeway or Aldi, it's perfect for seniors needing a natural lift. Number 6. Grapes, dark purple or black grapes, are rich in resveratrol, an antioxidant that boosts mitochondrial function and muscle endurance. A 2024 Harvard Medical School study found resveratrol improved strength by 12% in seniors. Grapes enhance circulation, reducing stiffness. Emma, a 69-year-old from Michigan, ate 10 grapes daily. My legs feel more alive. Chew 10-15 whole grape skin and seeds included in the morning. Found at any U.S. supermarket, they're heart-friendly for seniors with hypertension 50% prevalence, per the CDC. Number 7. Avocado. Often mistaken for a vegetable, avocado is a fruit loaded with oleic acid, potassium more than a banana, and vitamins D, E, and K. These support inflammation reduction and calcium absorption for muscle coordination. A 2023 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging showed avocado eaters had 10% more lean muscle mass. David, a 74-year-old from Colorado, ate 2 spoonfuls daily. My arms don't tire as fast. Eat 1 or 2 spoonfuls plain in the morning. Available at Trader Joe's or local stores. It's ideal for seniors with joint pain. Now, let's explore 4 vegetables to lock in that strength. First is spinach, a magnesium-rich 79 per cup powerhouse with nitrates that boost muscle energy. A 2024 study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found spinach improved walking speed by 15% in seniors. Steam half a cup lightly with olive oil for dinner. Karen, a 70-year-old from Illinois, added spinach nightly. I feel steadier on my feet. Find it at Publix or farmers markets. Next, broccoli, with sulforaphane, protects muscles from oxidative stress. A 2023 European Journal of Nutrition study showed it boosted muscle regeneration by 14%. Steam a small bowl with lemon thrice weekly. Michael, a 73-year-old from Nevada, said, my muscles recover faster after walks. Available at Kroger, it's a senior-friendly healer. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene vitamin A, support muscle repair and circulation. A 2024 NIH study linked vitamin A to 10% better mobility. Steam or grate a few slices daily. Susan, a 68-year-old from Georgia, noticed, my legs feel less heavy. Find at any U.S. store. Finally, purple cabbage with anthocyanins reduces inflammation and supports collagen. A 2023 Journal of Gerontology study found it slowed muscle loss by 12%. Try adding it raw to your salad with a splash of vinegar. Linda, 71, from Washington, shared, "I feel more steady on my feet these days." You can find it easily at Whole Foods or your nearest farmer's market. These 11 powerful foods go beyond dieting. They help restore energy and strength. Pick just one fruit or veggie to start this week. According to the American Geriatric Society, nutrient-dense meals may lower your risk of sarcopenia by up to 25%. Tell us in the comments, which food are you going to try first?